Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to make a table split across page in Google Docs. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Chrome browser. Then open your Google Docs apps. Then create your document with a table. Now you can see here on my table. Now I make a table split across page in Google Docs. Just select bottom two column, then press Ctrl on your mouse and drag on your mouse down to this table. Now you can see I split this table. Now I remove this extra blank rows. Just select this rows and right click on this table. Now you can see here are delete two rows option. Just press it. Now you can see I make a table split across page in Google Docs very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.